What if I told you there's one app that could completely transform your Firestick experience for the rest of your life? Stick around because today I'm going to walk you through the complete setup step by step, so even if you are a total beginner, you will have this running in minutes. And stay till the end because I'm also sharing a fresh, updated list of tested downloader codes for 2026 that you do not want to miss. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not host, upload or distribute any copyrighted content. All apps shown are publicly available on official app stores. Viewers are responsible for ensuring they comply with their local laws and only access content they have the legal right to view. Please support content creators by using official licensed platforms. Alright guys, let's jump right into it. First, on your Firestick home screen, go to the search icon and type in downloader. You will see the orange icon with the white D and an arrow pointing downward. That's the official downloader app. Select it and click install. Once installed, open the app, go to the top left corner and select the 3 horizontal lines. That's your menu. Scroll down to settings and make sure the auto install APK checkbox is enabled. If it is not checked, go ahead and turn it on. Then go back to the main screen. Now go to the top right corner and select the 3 dots. Make sure JavaScript and reload page are both turned on. If they are off, enable them now and then close the downloader app. Next, we need to adjust a few settings in your Firestick's main settings menu. Go to settings, then My Fire TV. On the next screen, make sure your cursor is on About or Fire TV and press the center OK button on your remote 7 times. This will enable developer mode. In my case, it already says I am a developer since I enabled this before. Now go back and select developer options. Turn on ADB debugging and then open install apps from unknown sources. Find downloader in the list and toggle it on. You are now fully set up to sideload third-party apps. Go back to your apps, open downloader, and in the search bar, enter this code 9901459. It will automatically connect to the server and start downloading the app. Follow the on-screen installation steps and at the end select Done. And that's it. You now have one of the most talked about entertainment apps set up on your device. Now before we go any further, I highly recommend installing NordVPN on your Firestick. A VPN helps protect your privacy and keeps your browsing more secure while using third-party applications like this. Go to the search bar and type NordVPN. Select it, download and install it. Once installed, sign in using the link I will leave in the description. You will get a special discount through my link. Sign in, connect the VPN and then open your app. Now a lot of you have been asking me about other categories, different tools, media players and entertainment apps. So I put together a complete updated list of tested downloader codes for 2026. which I will show you right now. If you are looking for something specific that's not on this list, drop the app name in the comments. I will do my best to help you find it. If this video helped you, smash that subscribe button and hit the like. It really helps the channel grow. See you in the next one.